Otis. This one's an Otis. Stigler-Otis. What the heck? Okay. This is a new kind. Stigler-Otis. Says Otis down there on the floor. And then it says Stigler-Otis right here. Very interesting. And then Ferrari modernized it. The fake Ferrari. Still yet to find a Lamborghini elevator. Runs well. See outside. This literally looks like just like a closet door. Like, look at that. It looks like just a closet. Like, I'm just gonna show this. Look at that. That doesn't even look like an elevator door. It doesn't. Like when I first walked in, I saw this for a second. I didn't realize it was the elevator. But all right, enough talking. Geez, these, oh, they have a handle here. All right. Otis down there on the ground. These doors don't have the ridiculously strong magnets that hold them shut like they do in Madrid. Looks like that and that used to be the cab light, but they replaced them. Stigler-Otis. That's cool. All right, down. Got just regular DMG buttons. Boo. All right, quickly we'll go up to 100 there. Separate phone added on. I guess it's not part of the COP, oddly. Good bit of distance. Oh, that's an angry looking sign. That probably means get the hell away from this floor. Okay, I'm gonna respect that. Get off on 2 instead. I don't want some angry Italian to yell at me. Already had that once today when I wandered into the wrong room at the Vatican.